There are places like this all over America. Places where the unsung heroes of manufacturing industry reside. Where the amount of innovation taking place doesn't always get the credit it deserves.
We got to do the things today to set us up for success tomorrow.
A lot of good ideas come right from the production floor. It goes back to teammate safety. It's getting the teammates' hands off the steel, eliminating heavy lifting.
The people that we're filling with maintenance roles and the controls specialist roles, it's their opinions and it's their ideas that we're using to move us into that next century or the next stage of Behlen.
Where finding and retaining top talent takes a bit of creativity.
I help up at the community college, try to identify the talent that's coming into the school that I want to bring in. Will help you get to where you want to go.
I think it starts with putting the people first. I think Nucor and Vulcraft do a great job of not only saying it, but really meaning it and showing it through their actions. And the first thing you need to do is take care of your people.
And where a strong manufacturing ecosystem means a strong community.
If it was not a community that worked together, and that is everything from the city to our visitors bureau to our chamber, it is really such a difference in people working together to make our community better.
People aren't just growing corn here. It's certainly not flyover country. And depending on who you ask, they'll tell you that this is the manufacturing state. Made Here is back, and this time we're stepping outside the city limits to explore the towns that are a huge part of America's industrial might. Welcome to Made Here, Nebraska, powered by the Industrial Solutions Network and Manufacturing Happy Hour.